For our second classification of variation, ito ay tinatawag na inverse variation or inverse proportion. No? So, ang ibig sabihin naman nito, halimbawa, mas mabilis or mas mataas yung speed ng pagdadrive mo. Halimbawa, 100, nakakotse ka, 100. No? So, mas mataas yung speed mo. No? Mas maikli yung time na magagamit mo sa pag-travel. Halimbawa, pupunta kang Balanga. So, kung ang takbo mo lang is 60, mas malaki yung time na magagamit mo papuntang Balanga. No? Pero kung mas mataas ang speed mo, no, mas maikli naman yung time na tatakbuhin mo yung Balanga. So, pag ang dalawang quantity, ang unang quantity is tumataas, ang pangalawang habang ang pangalawang quantity is bumababa, ang tawag doon ay inverse variation, ang relationship ng dalawang quantity nila. Na habang tumataas ang isa, nagde-decrease yung isa, pag ito naman yung nagde-decrease, ito naman yung nag-i-increase. Yun ang inverse variation. So, inverse variation ay may formula na y is equal to k over x. Yan. So, yan. So, dito, may example tayo, if y varies inversely as x and y is 48, when x is 10, find y when x is 32. So, step natin, una, transform the verbal phrase into mathematical expression. So, ito, transform muna natin. If y varies inversely, so y varies inversely, parehas naman sila ng variable. So, ito na yung gamitin natin. No? So, papalitan mo lang yung variable kung ano yung ginagamit dito. Anyway, kahit ano namang variable gamitin mo. Pero kung sa problem, kung ano yung ginagamit, nire-represent na variable na isang quantity, yun yung gagamitin mo. So, to ay y is equal to k over x, where the constant of variation must not be 0. Okay? So, una, next, compute for the constant of variation. Nagawa na natin to. Compute na natin yung constant of variation. Paano? I-substitute natin tong first set ng given, which is y is 48. 48 is equal to, your constant of variation is unknown pa. Yan yung kukompute natin. And then your x is 10. Okay, so compute for the constant of variation, we have to multiply both side by 10. Okay, so multiply natin both side by 10. 48 is equal to k over 10. Multiply mo by 10. 10, ito ay 10 times 48 is 480. And 10 divided by 10 is 1. Natira si k mo. So, your constant of variation is 480. So, ang gagawin na natin is, kukunin na natin yung unknown. Find y when x is 32. So, find y, or y is unknown, when x is 32. We will use the original equation, which is y is equal to k over x. And then, your y is equal to, anong constant of variation natin? 480 over our x na 32. Sorry, 32 to. Okay, so ito ay 32. So, y divided by 32 is ilan? Which is equivalent to 15. So, yan siya.